guys, let's go. So today we're going to cut some callaloo. So come along with me to the farm. Yes. Pumpkin. Pepper. So guys, we have some tomato ready. So I'm going to pick some tomato. You can see them. See? I think I'm gonna let this one stay for 2 more days. Yeah. So I'm going to cut some callaloo now. Very healthy, guys. Look at this bundle of callaloo. Nice greens, good for your bloodstream. Look at it. Organic callaloo in my backyard. Yes, of course. Eat what you grow and grow what you eat. Look at it, guys. Delicious when you cook it down. You know, you can make callaloo soup. You can make callaloo patty, callaloo loaf, steamed callaloo. Oh my god, so many delicious dishes. Callaloo rice. You can make it this callaloo. Nice. Yes. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Garden. Be kind to yourselves so you know how to show kindness to others. And if it's your first time here, subscribe to the channel, touch my notification bell to all. It will alert you every time when I post a new video.